Hi and welcome to Inspirational STEM. My name is Harish. Let's go ahead and solve this SAT problem. Okay, so given a square A, B, C, D and the center of the square is E, a couple of coordinates are given. So we are given C is 7, 2 and then E is 1, 0. So we know conceptually that when we have 2 points given the coordinates of those, we can find the slope of that line AC. So we can go ahead and do that in just a minute. But we're actually interested in BD, which is a perpendicular line to AC. Why? Because they're both going through the center of the square and that makes them perpendicular. We're going to use that information as well to find the equation of BD, which we are finally interested in. Okay, so let's go ahead and assign x1, y1, x2, y2 to points E and C, so we can calculate the slope using the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So when we do that, we get 2 minus 0 divided by 7 minus 1. So it gives us 2 by 6 is 1/3. So that is the slope of the line AC. So we are interested in the slope of the line BD, however, which is perpendicular to AC. So the concept is, as you remember, perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. So you make it negative and then reciprocal. So we have 1/3. So we're going to make it negative. So make it negative 1/3. And then the reciprocal of that is going to be negative 1/3 and the reciprocal is 3. So negative 3 is the slope of the line BD, which is perpendicular to AC. Now we are interested in the equation of that line. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the one piece of information we have, which is point E lies on BD, and use that to substitute. But clearly C and D are not the right answers because they have the wrong slope. So now we're going to take choice A and substitute that point 1, 0, which lies on BD, into the choice A. Okay, so choice A is, uh, so what is choice A? Is y, so we're going to substitute that, 0 equals negative 3 times 1 minus 1. So on the right hand side we have a negative value and the left is a 0, so that's the wrong answer. So the choice B is the correct answer, but you go ahead and substitute if you would like. So what you get is 0 equals 0. So that is indeed the correct answer. So we're going to select choice B as our correct answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.